friends! Welcome to Baby Toddler Storytime at the Manhattan Public Library. My name is Miss Rachel and this is Bobo, and we're very happy to have you with us today. Today we are talking about farms because our theme for summer reading this year is animals, and there are lots of animals on the farm. The first thing we're going to do is sing a welcome song together. Welcome to story time, welcome to story time, welcome to story time, we are glad you're here. Okay, are you ready, Bobo? Yeah, let's get started. This book is called Let's Go to the Farm. It's written by Caryl, Hart and illustrated by Tobia. And this is about two little friends who go visit a farm and they get to see all of the animals and have a lot of fun. So let's read it. It looks like this is a farm in the middle of a city. It's called City Farm. So there's lots of big buildings and apartments and things all around, but in the middle, we've got a small farm to visit. Says Bee and Billy and Bee, see what they can do. They're so tumbly, wiggly, jumbly. Can you do it too? Bee and Billy are going to have a lot of fun today. Red boots, green boots, swishing through the hay. Bee and Billy are excited. They're on the farm today. Look, a fluffy hen, shouts Bee. She follows it all around. It peck-pecks by Billy's feet, the crumbly crumbs on the dusty ground. Billy spots a round thing underneath a shed. Gently, slowly, Bee lifts it out. Wow! Billy's found an egg! The hen laid an egg. Did you know that eggs come out of chickens? That's pretty cool. Wriggling piglets in a pen. How many can you see? Mummy Piggy grunt, grunt, grunts. Piglets cry, squee, squee. Let's see how many piglets there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's number 11 with a bucket on its head. Silly piggy. Now it's time to feed the lambs. Bee holds a bottle tight, but Billy clings onto his mummy. Don't worry, it's all right. Billy's a little bit nervous, but Bee is having fun giving a bottle to the baby lamb. Bee's little lamb is hungry. It pulls the bottle hard. Lamb's tail wriggles, Billy giggles as Bee chases it around the yard. The lamb was so hungry it pulled the bottle out of Bee's hands. Can you spot the guinea pigs? They're playing hide and seek. Hopping, popping through the hay, chitter, chatter, squeak. Bee sits down on the scratchy straw, a soft towel on her knee. My guinea pig's called Puzzle. Stroke her gently, Billy. See? Look at all these little guinea pigs. And Bee has one on her lap. It's very soft. It's noisy in the hen house. Hens flap and cluck and scratch. Billy finds more eggs under a lamp. Crick, crack, one's going to hatch. Look at that. A new baby chick was just born out of the egg. Who's inside the barn? Asks Bee. Calves gaze with gentle eyes. Wet noses glisten, long tongues poke out. Lick! What a surprise! Cows have very long tongues and they are licking each other. Did you know that calves are what baby cows are called? Over at the picnic bench, Mom's rummaged for a snack, but Billy isn't hungry. Billy, wait, come back! He's marching away. "Here I am," calls Billy. "I'm bringing in the hay." Bee clambers up to help him, and they play and play and play. It looks like they found another friend too. That looks like a really fun play tractor. They're pretending like they're getting hay to feed to the animals. Bee and Billy are going home. Today has been such fun. They're yawny, sleepy, snugly tired. Goodbye, everyone. They're falling asleep in the wheelbarrow. Now their mummies are taking them home. They had a nice, long, fun day, didn't they? One thing you'll find a lot of on a farm, or really anywhere outside, is bugs. So we're going to sing a song about insects and all the different sounds and movements that they make. So first, the fireflies are going to blink. The bees will buzz, which can also be a tickle time. Buzz. The ants are going to march. I'll make Bobo's feet march along with me. March, march, march. The crickets go chirp, chirp, chirp. And you can rub your hands together just like the crickets rub their legs and wings. And the worms in the ground are going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Here we go. The fireflies at night go blink, 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 blink. The fireflies at night go blink, 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 all around the farm. The bees in the flowers go buzz, 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 buzz. The bees in the flowers go buzz, 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 all around the farm. The ants in the grass go march, 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 march. The ants in the grass go march, 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 all around the farm. The crickets in the leaves go chirp, 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 chirp. The crickets in the leaves go chirp, 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 all around the farm. The worms in the ground go wiggle, 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 wiggle. The worms in the ground go wiggle, 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 all around the farm. This book is so big. In fact, this kind of book is called a big book. That's what the publisher calls it. This one is called The Cow That Went Oink. Is that what cows say? No, most cows say moo. Pigs say oink. So this must be a silly book. Let's see what happens. Here we go. See the farm. The Cow That Went Oink by Bernard Most. Okay, here we go. There was once a cow that went oink. There it is, it says oink. The cows that went moo or laughed at the cow that went oink says oink, and they say moo ha, moo ha, moo ha. They're all laughing. And the other animals on the farm laughed at her too. Hee ha ha, nee ha, ninny ha, ba ha, bow wow ha, meow ha, gobble ha, cockadoodle ha, tweet ha, cluck ha, quack ha, cheep ha, oink, ribbit ha. They're all laughing. The cow that went oink was very sad. One day, she heard a friendly moo. Oink, moo. She doesn't usually hear a friendly moo. It's mostly moo-ha when the other animals laugh at her. It was a pig that went moo. laughed at the pig that went moo. Oink, moo, oink-ha, 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 oink-ha. They're not very nice either. And the other animals laughed at her too. Tweet-ha, quack-ha, cluck-ha, meow-ha, cock-a-doodle-ha, inny-ha, gobble-ha, bow-wow-ha, cheep-ha, nee-ha, hee-haw-haw, ba-ha, ribbit-ha, oink, moo, squeak-ha, says the little mouse. The pig that went moo was very sad. The cow that went oink had an idea. She would teach the pig to oink. Oink, moo. So the cow that went oink made a loud oink, while the pig that went moo listened carefully. Oink, moo. Then the pig that went moo tried to go oink. Oi, moo. Oink, says the cow. The horse, the donkey, and the sheep thought this was very funny. Neigh-ha, hee-haw, ha, ba-ha. But the pig that went moo didn't listen to them. She listened to the cow. The cow says, oink, 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 oink. Oi, mook? Not quite. And the pig that went moo tried again. Oi, noo, moo? Oink. And again, oi, noo? Oink. And again, oinku? Oink. Until she finally went oink. Oink, 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 oink! She did it! The pig could oink. Now she would teach the cow to moo. Moo! Oink, thinks the cow. The cow that went oink tried to go moo. Moink! Moo, says the pig. Cow doesn't have it yet, does she? The rooster, the turkey, and the duck laughed and laughed. Cock-a-doodle-ha, gobble-ha, quack-ha. But the cow didn't listen to them. She listened to the pig, who's saying, moo, 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 moo. Moink, says the cow. And the cow that went oink tried again. Moinku, moo. And again, mook, moo. And again, mook, moo. Until the cow that went oink finally went moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, says the pig. The cow and the pig were very happy. Each of them could moo and oink. Moo, oink, oink, moo. And they were the only animals on the farm that could do both. So they had the last laugh. Moo-ha, oink-ha, oink-ha, moo-ha. All those other animals laughed at them, but now the cow that went oink and the pig that went moo can do two different animal noises, and all the other animals can only do their own. The end. This rhyme is about the noises some farm animals make, and I have this super fun barn to help with the rhyme, and I have finger puppets inside of it. So we're going to clap our rhyme and then guess what the animal is. It goes like this. An oink, a moo, a cock-a-doodle-doo. Who's in the barnyard playing peekaboo? Okay, here's my first animal. This animal is pink, and it has a curly tail, and it says, oink, oink, oink. What do you think it is? Let's see. Oh, it's a piggy! A pink pig. Oink, oink, oink. Okay. Say the rhyme again. An oink, a moo, a cock-a-doodle-doo. Who's in the barnyard playing peekaboo? Okay, this animal is black and white. Sometimes they're brown or a little bit reddish, but this one is black and white, and it gives milk, and it says moo. What do you think it is? It's a cow. Moo, moo. Here we go. Okay, we have one more animal, so let's say our rhyme again. An oink, a moo, a cock-a-doodle-doo. Who's in the barnyard playing peekaboo? Okay, this one can be lots of different colors. It can be white, or black, or brown, or a bunch of different colors at once. This one is white. And it has something sticking up the top of its head. And it wakes everybody up in the morning, and it says, cock-a-doodle-doo. What do you think it is? It's a rooster! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Yeah. There we go. It's a pretty cool barn, isn't it? Story time is over for today, so let's sing goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, see you soon. Goodbye, everybody, see you soon. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye, everybody, goodbye, everybody, see you soon. Bye-bye. Bobo and I will see you next time. And maybe we'll get to see you at the library too. You can pick up books, and you can do summer reading. There's a lot of fun things at the library in the summer, even when we're not having story times in person. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.